Samsung is all set to host the Unpacked event on Feb 1, where it will unveil 3 premium phones from the Galaxy S23 lineup. The Galaxy S23 series will be launched in various markets, where it has also started taking pre-reservation. Almost all details about the entire Galaxy S23 lineup have been revealed ahead of its official debut. Now, tipster Snoopy Tech has shared some more marketing promo images that reveal the design and some other details of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. The leaked promo images show the Galaxy S23 Ultra in a new botanic green color, whereas the Galaxy S23 Plus can be seen in the misty lilac color. The vanilla Galaxy S23 is being showcased in its cotton flower color option. Notably, the phone will also be available in the standard phantom black color. The Galaxy S23 promo images mainly highlight the design of the Galaxy S23 lineup, which we have seen multiple times in various reports. Now, here's an interesting thing, where every single specification of the S23 Ultra is out. We get the official marketing pics of the S23 Ultra. And after looking at these images, some certain things are not coming in S23 Ultra. If you are expecting Wi-Fi 7 or LPDDR5X RAM, so here's some bad news. These rumors were wrong about the S23 Ultra. Although the better things are coming in its camera section, where we are going to get an amazing 12-megapixel autofocus selfie camera with 4K HDR video recording and 8K 30fps video recording from the rear camera. Also, 200-megapixel primary camera, dazzling low-light images and 10x optical zoom with OIS, optical image stabilization. Previous reports claim that the Galaxy S23 pricing will start at $899, while the Galaxy S23 Plus could be priced at $1,099. What do you think about today's leak? Comment down below. See you tomorrow. Peace out.